been such a long time since I filmed a video and I'm like shook. And I'm ill.
Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you seek then you gotta know, bitches they only care about the flow, come on you know how the story go. It's the shit that never run and they always pretending, acting kinda sinning. They mind what I'm bending, just imagine like Lennon that we living like long division. My vision is risen, shout out my homie in prison, shit is deeper than an incision.
Hello everyone, long time no see. I'm literally... So basically I'm gonna give you a room tour because I've moved to uni. There's a lot of things that I haven't spoken about because I don't know when the last time I made a video was, probably like 4 months ago, like 6, like a year maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I will just film this now because I think everyone's gone into the kitchen, so I'm like, okay, I'm free. There's my laundry bin. It's currently got whites in it right now because I just did the dark wash, and then anything dark I'll like put it in there to separate it because I don't have 2 of these and I don't really need 2 of them, so that's me. Yeah, that's me. This is my mirror, and then I've got my here's my ankle weights. Basically I've started like toning like at the end of the day, and then this is a camera bag, like a lens bag, but there's nothing in it, so yeah. And then I used them to like mark where I would stand because I can't focus, like. And then you've got the pin board. So I've just got my calendar, which is actually the same as my roommate who's like behind me. So this I just like got from my cousin, and then this is a photo of me like at work from the Christmas party. So yeah, that's really cute, so that's why I put that there. And then here's just my lanyard. And then up here is a badge that I got, and it's magnetic, so I've just sort of like stuck it there. I got this in New York when I was on the NBC tour, and then this is just a calendar that the uni gave to us, and I've just put like all my deadlines. Got a little Christmas decoration here, and I know it's early because it's currently September, but it's cute, it's got my name on it. So there's my clock. And then literally it's so bare, my room is so bare compared to my other flatmates even. What, they're not sharing a room with me, Phoebe. And then this, that's just from when I went to New York. That is obviously when I went to see Logic. And then these are just train tickets that I've collected, like going from Manchester and back. I've just put them there because there's loads of space, so I'll just put something there. Here, I'm not going to focus too much on this, it's just my washing. I did that this morning. And then here's just my bag and my dressing gown. So here's my bathroom. These are for, I don't have like fake teeth, they're for my retainers to like, you put them in water and they go like, I don't know, soapy or something, and then they're just bin liners. They're like wipes, that's just cleaning spray, hand soap, a brush which I'm probably not going to use because I have one out there, and then yeah, like bits and bobs. And then nail clippers because my nails grow really long. Look at these, hang on. Ooh, 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 ooh. And then I've just got my argan oil, and then this is for my beauty blender. It's just a soap for it because I find like if I use any other soap to clean my beauty blender it like doesn't work. Some lotion, and then dry shampoo, some more lotion, but this is Vaseline, so you know, bougie ass. Kiehl's face scrub, which you're like recommended to do it every day, but I can't be asked to do it every day. I do it like 3 times a week or like twice. So here's just my shelf. I won't walk you through everything. And then here's the shower. And then I've just got my soap and my shampoo and some shower gel. And then there's my towel. Everything is pretty much from IKEA, like literally. Look on any of the tags, they all say IKEA, dead ass. And then here is my wardrobe. I got all my shoes and then clothes. So here's my bed. This throw is from, where's it from? I think it's from like Pound Stretch or something. It was really cheap, but it's so nice. My sheets are from IKEA. I've just got these 2 shelves like with clothes in them because they don't really have a place in my wardrobe. So I've just put them there. It's mostly just like PJs, so it's fine. So this was a survival kit that my cousin gave to me before I came here. It's got a bottle of Prosecco in it, some straws and like games and stuff. That's gross. I need to get that out because there's a pineapple in that and it's been sat there for a while, so okay. This my mum gave to me to like store stuff in, but I literally don't have anything to put in it, so it literally doesn't have anything in it. So this is the top shelf. Basically, I asked my mum came around on the weekend and I asked her just to bring me some more noodles, like packet noodles, and she literally brought a whole bag. But they're there because there's no room in my cupboard in the kitchen. So this is like my snack shelf. I've got raisins because every time I buy grapes, they go off because I don't eat them quick enough. Here are some apples. These are actually amazing, like I literally love them so much. Top buy. It's like my spray shelf. Got my Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Bloom perfume, and then my Marc Jacobs perfume. This is like the second one I've had. I had the pink one before that. That is from Victoria's Secret. Ari by Ariana Grande. Heat protectant, and then I like put that in, spray that on my hair after I've straightened it because it keeps it like silky. And then Crepe Protect. You need to keep your crepes fresh. You need to keep your crepe. And then just on the top shelf, this is a dairy box, and this is all this random stuff that I've collected. There's like a Domino's menu somewhere here. This should be in the bin. I don't know why it's not, so yeah. This, I got a Fresh Fair. These were free, they're just headphones. Got my Bose speaker. And then this lamp, I actually had to build this because it was from IKEA. And then this is just from my cousin. That's my Mac. It died, by the way. Story time, it died just before I came here, so I had to get it sent off to repairs. I was hoping they'd get me a new one. This mirror I also had to build because it was from IKEA. This is just my like makeup storage. I was planning on using this for loads of magazines, but I literally have like 3. These plants are fake and they're from Primark. And then I've just got my headphones and my watch back there. This my cousin gave to me as well. And then they're just my glasses. You don't want to see me in them because they look really bad. And then here's my folder. It's currently empty, so that's great. And then this I had to build as well, this metal thing. But it's really cool. It's just a little stationary storage holder. This is also from IKEA. Because I literally didn't have anything to decorate with, I've put my extra lens on my like lens thing, my mini tripod. That's actually broken, so that's great that I can't use that. It looks nice, I guess. And then this is really excessive, but my mum got it for me. Don't even ask, okay? There are 10 boxes, I'm not even going to count because I know how many because I've counted. There are 10 boxes of toothpaste there. It's just got makeup palettes in it, Huda Beauty palette, the Anastasia Modern Renaissance toothpaste. Anything you want. Let me know if you want to see any tutorials with these, by the way. And then in this bag is just like cables and like my straightener. And then that is just my chair with my jacket on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me whenever, I don't know. I'll try and upload regularly now because I have a lot of free time. I'm sorry that I'm ill, and I'm sorry that I'm so quiet, like spatially aware of like who's listening. So yeah, I will see you in my next video.